Good morning, students. In our previous videos, we studied the two parts of the chapter A Letter to God. And in this video, we are going to study the last part of the same story, A Letter to God. So, I would like to start the story from the first paragraph that comes in front of you. The following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. Students, in this paragraph, we have been told that Lencho came earlier than usual for finding information about the letter that he had hoped to get in response. The postmaster handed him the letter, feeling contentment himself after doing a noble deed in the form of collecting money for him. Friends, whenever a person tries to do something good for the other person, he feels proud himself. Now, friends, we would like to cover the second paragraph. Lencho showed not a slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence. But he became angry when he counted the money. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. Friends, but for his surprise, we can say Lencho didn't display a sight of surprise on his face, as he was looking confident to receive money from God. But he became angry when he found lesser amount of money than he expected. He believed that God could neither deceive him nor make any kind of mistake. Students, it is also the matter of surprise. When we expect some money from other person and it comes just now and we don't show a slight of surprise, this is the matter itself a surprise. Now, the third part is in front of you. Immediately, Lencho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. On the public writing table, he started to write, with much wrinkling of his brow caused by the effort. Friends, wrinkling means हम कह सकते हैं कि थोड़ा सा भावों को सिकुड़ाना. When a person tries to think deeply something, then he tries to wrinkle his brow, caused by the effort he had to make to express his ideas. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp, which he licked and then affixed to the envelope with a blow of his fist. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. It said, "God, of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. Send me the rest, since I need it very much. But don't send it to them through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. Sender name is Lencho." Students, just at that time, after finding the letter as response, he asked for paper and ink. That's as we have been told in the paragraph. He started writing, putting his ideas deeply in the faith of God. Having finished his letter, he asked for a stamp. He licked and affixed the envelope with the help of his fist. As soon as he put the letter into mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. He finds a request by Lencho in writing with the statement that whatever the amount of money was sent by God was not enough. As we have seen, it was only 70 pesos. He asked for the rest of money and added a request not to send it through mail, because he believed that the staff of the post office were dishonest person. स्टूडेंट्स, इस कहानी में हम ये देखते हैं कि एज यूजुअल हमेशा की तरह से या हमेशा की तरह की तुलना में लेंचो काफ़ी सुबह पोस्ट ऑफिस पहुंच जाता है, ये पता करने के लिए कि उसके नाम से भगवान के द्वारा कोई पत्र आया है कि नहीं। जैसे ही वो ऑफिस में पहुंचता है, पोस्ट मास्टर खुद ही एक संतोष की भावनाओं का अनुभव करते हुए उसे लेटर सौंप देता है। लेंचो ये लेटर पाते हुए बिल्कुल भी सरप्राइज़ नहीं करता। अगर हमें वो लेटर मिले, हमने भगवान को भेजा, थोड़ा बहुत सरप्राइज ज़रूर होगा, लेकिन लेंचो को जैसे लेटर मिला उसके चेहरे पर बिल्कुल भी ऐसी झलक नहीं थी। लेकिन इसके बजाय वह क्रोधित हो गया जब उसने पैसे गिने। उसमें पैसे कम थे। उसे यह विश्वास हो गया कि गॉड तो मिस्टेक नहीं कर सकता, न वो लेंचो के पुकार को अस्वीकार कर सकता है। तत्काल ही वो विंडो पर जाता है और पेपर और इंक की मांग करता है। राइटिंग टेबल पर वो अपने भौं को सिकुड़ाते हुए लिखना शुरू कर देता है और उसमें अपने सारे आइडियाज़ पुटअप करता है। जैसे ही वो लेटर फिनिश करता है, वो विंडो पर जा कर के एक स्टैम्प की मांग करता है और उसे लिख करके इन्वेलप में अपने मुट्ठी के प्रहार से फिक्स कर देता है। जैसे ही वो लेटर मेल बॉक्स में जाता है, पोस्ट मास्टर उसे ओपन करता है और जो बात लिखी होती है उस लेटर में वो आपके सामने होता है। वो भगवान को लिखता है कि हे ईश्वर, जो पैसे की डिमांड मैंने आपसे की थी उससे कम पैसे मुझे प्राप्त हुए हैं। पूरे पैसे मेरे पास नहीं पहुँचे। मैंने 100 पीसोस की मांग की थी, लेकिन मेरे पास केवल 70 पीसोस ही पहुँचे। कृपया करके मुझे बाकी का धन भी प्रदान करें, लेकिन इसे मेल बॉक्स के द्वारा ना भेजें, क्योंकि पोस्ट ऑफिस के जितने कर्मचारी हैं सब बेईमानों के झुंड हैं। आपका लेंचो। सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी फॉर यू and in the form of homework assignment I would like to give a question. That's the oral comprehension check. Question number 1: was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? And question number 2: what made him angry? Students, here also you have to attempt at least 5 questions about thinking about the text. Who does Lencho have completed faith in? Which sentence in the story tell you this? Question number 2: why does the postmaster send money to Lencho? Why does he sign the letter God? Question number 3: did Lencho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why not? Question number 4: who does Lencho think has taken the rest of the money? What is the irony in the situation? And the question number 5: are there people like Lencho in a real world? What kind of a person would you say he is? You may select appropriate words from the box to answer the question. So students, if you feel any kind of problem, you can share a message also, but you have to attend oral question comprehension check 1 and 2 and the 5 questions from thinking about the text. See you in next video with a new lesson.